The state of supply chain and manufacturing today is characterized by rigid production schedules and brittle supply chain processes. Let's take a closer look at the challenges manufacturers face and how they can be addressed. An undesirable production schedule leads to excess inventory while distracting the resources from making the required stock. This is the state of discrete or process manufacturing. To bring resiliency to just-in-time or make-to-order manufacturing, we need to dynamically pick suppliers and contract manufacturers based on supplier quality threshold, transportation costs, customer deadlines, past delivery window from the time of order placement, and production time. We need to plan the production schedule based on actual, not for customer forecast. We can firm up the forecast by analyzing repeat customer trend analysis based on social media data, past purchases, and product types. So, what's holding enterprises from achieving resiliency? The manufacturing system is designed for mainstream scenarios, not adapting to market and environmental changes. The manufacturing IT ecosystem is fragmented, not translating real-time signals and missing interoperability. Manufacturing operational systems are delivering standardization and not yielding competitive advantage. We need to employ mathematical modeling to solve business problems and stay competitive through innovative technology that works around these barriers. It's important to choose a platform that is business-friendly in that mass tech jargon. We need to unleash innovative solutions that are not feasible in transactional solutions. The UCBOS platform offers plug-and-play predictive and prescriptive models in a no-code architecture. The UCBOS platform covers all critical steps involved in prediction and mathematical modeling. It includes data integration, data cleansing, model inputs and model training, ML ops, data analysis, data dashboard, and model explanation. The UCBOS platform enables manufacturers to model their business process with risks, evaluate mitigation steps, and steer the business process for positive outcomes. With the UCBOS platform, manufacturers can improve their supply chain and production processes to become more resilient and competitive in today's market. At UCBOS, we make you the boss.